This is the Lamtto RC35 Extra Large 11-inch wireless CarPlay display with built-in entertainment apps. Inside the well-presented box, the first thing you will find is the 11-inch screen. The screen has the dashboard mount already in position. Underneath the packaging, you get the 12-volt cigarette cable. There is an additional mounting bracket on an extending arm if the standard mount doesn't allow the screen to fit on your dashboard. There is also a backup camera which you can connect to use as a reversing camera. Then there are the spare mounting stickers, a trim tool, a plastic sticky mount for the suction cup, and an auxiliary cable. And of course, a small instruction booklet. Let's see how it looks in the car. My previous CarPlay, as you can see, was much smaller. My problem was the screen wouldn't fit my dash, so I had to use a CD holder mount. I have already paired the RC35 to my phone, so let's have a look at the primary purpose for me, the sat-nav side of things. You will see that as soon as I tapped the Android Auto, Google Maps appeared very quickly via the responsive touchscreen. Tapping the home button access from the floating widget, I move to the YouTube icon. I will not likely use this option, and you'll see the RC35 connected really quickly. Moving back to Google Maps was so fast, which impressed me. Into the options icon, I then loaded up my TomTom app, which again was so quick to load the road network. Once again, I changed the app this time to Waze, and the switchover was faultless. You will also hear the audio through the CarPlay built-in speakers, which is clear and very audible.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
Tapping the help icon also allows you to see the tutorial menus. And I can also say accessing Netflix was quite fast, though I didn't have that in my video. All in all, this is a great CarPlay unit and is one that if you prefer a screen this large, I would happily recommend it.